In this video, I'm going to talk about the high accuracy trading strategy that will change your life. Yes, guys, this is quite true because there are a lot of great tools available on TradingView, but most of the traders have no idea about those tools and they do not know that which setup is best for them, right? So we are going to talk about the best strategy today that can make you rich in 2022. And before I start this video, please subscribe the FX Mentor US because a lot of videos are on the way to be uploaded on the YouTube channel. Okay, the first indicator that we will be using in this strategy is Angel Attack Follow Line Indicator, that is by Dread Blitz. Okay, 3194 traders are already using it. So if I attach that indicator on my screen, so basically it appears on the lower side of your TradingView platform like this. The second indicator that we will be using to make our strategy strong, because this is basically the indicator for the follow line indicator. So we are going to use the follow line indicator, especially by Dread Blitz, the same author, and you can see 4,216 traders are using it, and that's why this indicator has a very good importance into the forex market, right? Okay, so we have basically attached two indicators, right? So the third suggestion from my side is the moving average exponential indicator. So if I go to the moving average exponential settings, so what I would like to do here, I would like to give it a yellow color, and then inside the inputs I would like to change this length from 9 to 200, right? Okay, now our setup is completely ready to trade. So first of all, I would like to explain the role of the first indicator that we have attached on our screen. As you can see that we have some sell and then red and then red and then buy. So what actually it means by these terms, okay? So in short, the author has provided you with the search terminology. So basically when it says sell, it means that you can sell, and then it says reduce. I mean, it's kind of a pressure. I mean, it's kind of a pressure that this selling pressure is getting reduced. Okay, and then you can see after some time it has advised us to buy, and then at a particular level it has advised us that the buying pressure is getting reduced. Okay, and when there is more buying pressure, then it will write add means that you need to consult the previous trend that which is running, it was buy. It means that you can take one more entry and then add again one more entry, and later on it is also telling you reduced, and then sell signal worked, and then again it has provided you with a buy, and then it said add. Okay, so this is the general concept of the below indicator. Okay, so how we will be using this trading setup? You can trade, you can use this setup on any time frame you like, but I am going to talk about the simple way. So for example, let's go back to the previous chart. USD Here we have a buy signal from the follow line indicator. First of all, we will check the 200 EMA criteria, that either the market is above the 200 EMA or not. So the criteria, definitely it's going to met here because the market is already above the 200 EMA, right? Okay, so here we have received a buy signal, so it means that our entry becomes somewhere here. You can set up a stop loss like this at the previous low of the market, and let's see how much we have caught from this trade. If we if we expand this one, then you can see we were easily able to catch 3.18 ratio by trading this one. Okay, now what about this sell signal? We are not interested in this sell signal because the trend is up. 200 EMA is telling you that if the candles are above the 200 EMA, we are not interested in taking any kind of sell position, right? Then another signal come later on, and you can see here it has provided us a buy signal, and here the market actually, so for example, let's say if the you have get a buy signal here, and you also have a buy signal from the other indicator, you can set up a stop loss like at the previous low of the market, and let's see that how much we were able to catch from this trade. If we actually measure, then it was 1.616 ratio. So guys, the ratio is less because I am using the 1 minute time frame, so it's not a big deal that you can you can trade the other time frames as well, but overall I am giving the review on the 1 minute. So here it has provided us to add an entry again. So buy, after buy it said add, and you can see it already went up, right? So let me see other signals, like for example, if we go to Euro USD, then we have the short signal here. Here we have the short signal, and also we have received the sell signal from the lower indicator as well. So if you have targeted this one, and you can see that we have got 2.53 ratio. We are not interested in buy below the 200 EMA. This sell also went successful. Buy didn't went successful if we talk about the previous signal of the short. So for example, if we have taken entry from here, set up a stop loss like this, then we can see how much we targeted from this one. 1.53 ratio actually we caught on this one. Okay, so like for example, here we have taken a sell position, it was coming down, and here it has provided you that the pressure is getting reduced, and you can see that we have a slight upward momentum as well. So you can take your profits in between these decisions. Okay, and then later on again it has provided you sell, you can sell again. So this is how you can use this one. You can use it on any time frame. So for example, if I go and choose my time frame to 5 minute on USD JPY, let's see how well it is performing. Okay guys, the example is in front of you. I mean, we have a buy signal here above the 200 EMA and a buy signal from this indicator as well. And now you can see our stop loss was quite near because the market was simply pumping up. And you can see till now, if we calculate the ratio, if we compare this level, then it is almost 6.67. So guys, and you can see that here everything was blue, it was telling you still, and here it has pointed you here. If you look at this level, it has written add. So it means that from this level it has also pointed you to take another buy position. So there are multiple chances. So guys, that's why I say there are a lot of available great tools on TradingView. All is just need is to focus. If you can focus, then definitely you can make a lot of money from the forex or crypto market. So you can use this strategy in forex, crypto, or the stock market. And moreover guys, I will also provide you with some basic videos about the usage of the TradingView and the other things in the next videos, right? So guys, if you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe FX Mentor US, and share this video with everyone. Thank you for watching this video.